Hello to my replay viewers. Hello to those of you who are hanging out watching me on the web. And here we go. We got the Peri Girls coming in the house. So because it is Earth Day and we are doing the Peri Girls Earth Day, I wanted to come out here and show you beautiful, beautiful Lake Merritt in Oakland, California. Where better to do Earth Day than outside and in this gorgeous, gorgeous day. Thank you for sharing. Thank you, Peri Girls, for running in the house. You guys make room for each other, introduce each other, welcome each other, rub shoulders, come in the house. I love it, I love it. Okay, let me get set up here. Hey, my lovelies. Oh, Lord. Okay, let me put you guys in my mount. Hey, Peri Girls, look at the Peri Girls coming in the house. Yes, we have Peri Girls in the house, and we have those little earths coming up with the hearts. I love it. Hey, you guys. Hey, I see everybody coming in. Woo, woo. Here we go, Peri Girls. So it is Earth Day, and I wanted to come out here. Hopefully, we won't get like the garbage truck or something that'll come behind me. But I think hopefully you guys can hear me. Can you hear me okay? Put a thumbs up sign if you can hear me. And if the connection is fine. Oh, thank you, thank you. I'm out here getting my vitamin D, right? It's so beautiful, you guys. It is clearly a spring day, and it is just right for Earth Day because it is incredible out here. Okay, so first of all, what are we doing here? We are here for the Peri Girls Pass the Cast. And if for some reason you aren't familiar with the Peri Girls, have you been in a closet somewhere? Because the Peri Girls are incredible. It is the most incredible organization on here. It is for women, by women. We are all on here to help each other, to support each other, to love on each other, to teach each other, to be inspired and to be motivated. Yeah, that's right. Get out of that closet. Get out of that closet and let me show you how. You can join the fun. You can join the love. You can join the community. Okay, guys, I was out working. I am out here hustling, doing my thing. So you got to forgive me for my little made up sign. But can you see that? I hope you guys can see it. www.perigirls.com www.perigirls.com. Make sure you hop on there and join. It is free. We have over 10,000 incredible women in there. Incredible women who are doing awesome things. We are talking about, thank you for loving my hustle. We are talking about incredible mothers. We're talking about incredible wives, artists, entrepreneurs, leaders, people like, speaking of which, can we just give a big shout out and a high five and a heart and anything else you want to throw up for Joanne Pham, our founder, and all of the incredible leadership who volunteer their time to be of service to us and to themselves and to this community. I absolutely love it. This is the Peri Girls. This is Pass the Cast. There are so many incredible things. I want you guys to make sure you go to perigirls.com, sign up so that you can be a part of this community and get loved on even more. All right, so let me introduce myself. If you are watching me, I know you're enjoying the day and you see the sunshine, but let me tell you who I am. My name is Kysha Mitchell. I am the creator of Elevate Your Now. I help powerful women quantum leap to the next level of their success. I am a coach, an educator, and a speaker. And the way I do that is by helping women quit being their own worst enemy. I help them get out of their way so that they can really maneuver along that path to success with ease and within community, so that they're not doing it by themselves, but they are part of community and they are being expertly guided. Which leads me to Earth Day, because you guys, I recycle. I do a little bit of composting. I mean, you know, I make my kids put the food in the brown bag. I don't necessarily go out and put it in my backyard, but I do composting. I am big on, recycle and reuse. But the tip I have to share for you today is simply what I do for my clients and what I do for the people that come in my community. In order for us to have any lasting and sustainable and incredible change, what you have to do is expand your mind and your mindset. There needs to be a mindset shift. So my Earth Day tip for you is to make a mindset shift into thinking about the earth as your good girlfriend. We're not thinking about the earth as just this thing that we walk on and we travel on and we have to be in, and half of the time we don't even think about it. No, I want you to start thinking about the earth as your good friend, your sister friend, your BFF. Let me tell you guys really quickly. I want to make sure you guys let me know what my time is like. So, because I'll talk. I got so much to share and I love being of service. The thing is, I'll never forget my son. We were in the car one time, and I think he was about 4 or 5. And he was looking outside of the window, kind of like looking, down. And he had his little face all crunched up. And I was saying, "What's wrong, baby? Why are you looking like that?" And he was looking outside. He said, "Mommy, I just don't understand why people would throw garbage on flowers. Like, why would they throw stuff out of the window and throw garbage on flowers in places where flowers could grow? They're so pretty." And I was just like, wow, baby, it's so true. This is the earth. This is what we should love and be passionate about, just like we're passionate about our family and our friends and the things that we love. I want us to think about the earth as our friend. What do you do for your friends? You're trying to be there for them, right? You think about if you're in the store or you're going somewhere. That's right, out of the mouths of babes, always. You think about the store, you're going somewhere and you think, oh, my girlfriend would love this. Or you look at something, you see something beautiful, maybe you get it for her. You know that she's going through a tough time and you call her, or maybe you pray for her, or you make sure you can do what is necessary for her. And the thing is sometimes we're not always there for our friends because we have life, right? But we're not going to beat ourselves up about it. We're just going to make sure that when we are there for our friend, the earth, that we are there full out and all in and making sure that we're taking care. So if we're thinking about this earth, this incredible place where we live and breathe and have our being as our BFF and our friend, then that means we aren't throwing stuff all over the place. We're thinking about using those bags like Vanessa was talking about and Lorraine. We're thinking about all of these tips that we can do because we want to sustain our friend. We want our friend to grow. We want our friend to be around for a while. And this is what will keep Earth Day alive and what will keep it in our minds every day. Okay, who's up next? I want to make sure I'm getting it. Whoever is up next. Oh, you know what? I know who's up next. It is Sabrina. So I want to make sure you guys are following her. Make sure you go follow her. Okay, can you guys see that? Make sure you're following her. Sabrina, throw up some emojis, sweetie. There she is. That her? No. Sabrina, where you at? Okay, so while Sabrina's coming in and she's throwing up those emojis, I'll hold up the sign again if she's not in here so we can make sure we're doing that for her. But oh, she's here. Okay, good. So let me know when she goes on and I will stop talking because I will continue until then. And for those of you who are just running in the house and joining me, my name is Kysha Mitchell. I am the creator of Elevate Your Now. I help powerful women just like you quantum leap to their next level. Powerful women who know what it is to be a CEO of their own family, a business owner, an artist, all of those things, but you have this one aspect of your life that you are so challenged by. I help you transfer that power, that perseverance, and that wisdom so that you can be purposeful, passionate, and having joy in your life every day. Thank you, love. And you guys, make sure you're following the PeriGirls and PeriGirls TV. And make sure you're clicking that little Peri goddess over there and following me. This is, hey, replace it. Thank you, love. Thank you, Cammie. That's right. Today, this is April, and in the Elevate Your Now community, we are doing Accountable in April. That's right. I am holding you accountable to your goals and to your dreams because it's the second quarter of 2016, and we don't want those resolutions and those goals and that vision board to go away. You don't even remember the month, right? Oh, thank you. Yes, it is my birthday. Earth Day is always the day before my birthday, so I always make sure that I am out and about. And you guys, can I just say, okay, wait. Let me flip up my hair. I'm going to be 44 and I'm proud of it. I love being in my 40s, and part of my reason for staying healthy and for doing the things that I have to do is so that I can be an example to all of the women coming up before me, to not be scared to say how old you are, to not, worry about, oh my God, I'm going to be 40, oh my God, I'm going to be 30. No. You are incredible at whatever age you are, and you can be whoever you want to be. You can be healthy, you can be incredible, you can be fine, you can be sexy, you can be creative, you can be innovative at any age. All right, you guys, Sabrina is live. Make sure you're following her. I love you, love you. This scope wouldn't be what it was without you here. I love you, and I love you, PeriGirls. Bye.